Welcome to Solved Gadgets. Ready for the collection of cool gadgets. Our second series of amazing inventions you didn't know about is now available. So let's watch the video. Any firm can utilize this drone to take a unique strategy towards one-day delivery service. With such a 966-kilometer range and a maximum speed of 241 kilometers per hour, the truly autonomous drone could transport up to 227 kilograms of payload, so that it can transport packages 3 times more quickly than that of an automobile. This drone occupies 2 parking area facility, and its dimensions are 4 by 5 meters. And you are not required to remodel these locations because the flying vehicle can take off and land vertically. Only the merchandise will need to be loaded and unloaded by staff. The drone will take care of everything else. Whenever there are any issues, MightyFly, the provider, will send out professionals to assist. Many possibilities for the emergence of machines have been presented to us. According on the most recent research conducted by the specialists, it was scheduled to occur in 1997. Although, at the moment the machines have operated without any incident, but still engineers and designers worldwide are constantly improving these equipment. For illustration, how would you appreciate this technology that transforms any excavator into some kind of a robot? In a matter of hours, it will be mounted in the machine's rear. Lights should also be installed at the location. And after that, all you have to do is submit the chores and the robotic excavator will complete them. It is still feasible to use the manual control. Your progress on the job will be updated by the application, and in the event of a problem, the equipment will halt in a matter of a few seconds. The duties will additionally be accurate to the centimeter that the designer mentions in the description. Although car owners may assume that we have forgotten about them, they are still on our minds and will continue to be so. Measuring tire tread depth manually is very time-consuming and error-prone. Take a look and examine out this mechanism. This enables users to immediately determine the wheel thread thickness. Travel freely over it at a speed of up to 8 kilometers per hour, and that most of the data will be displayed on the application in an incredibly obvious manner. To make it simple for you to print the document and present it to customers. For instance, the app will display the indication of causes for irregular wear. And technicians can communicate regionally or wirelessly on the workshop network to quickly exchange information. With the help of this technique, braking distance and steering are controlled by tread depth. In order to provide any auto repair firm a competitive edge over rivals, this technology is a perfect addition. Salutations from the future's most optimistic side. An American business called Samson Sky has chosen to accept registrations for self-driving flying vehicles. Consumers can consider purchasing 2-in-1 vehicles that can function as both a car and an airplane for an estimated price that starts at $170,000. The maximum speed on the road would be around 200 kilometers per hour and traveling at 305 kilometers per hour in the air. It takes around 3 minutes to switch from an automobile to an airplane, or conversely, and the range is 724 kilometers. Finding a good takeoff location will be your responsibility, though. In addition to learning how to fly this vehicle, a 335-meter straight runway is also required. Assuming if German robots are successful in reaching hospitals, it's possible that they will be accompanied by their Japanese counterparts. These dedicated robots have already been working in various Japanese nursing homes since 2018. These robots are in charge of supervising and delivering meals and medications, as well as UV disinfection. The responsibilities of the staff is reduced thanks to these mechanical workers without sacrificing service quality. Realizing that they are able to operate elevators and comprehend voice orders, hotel businesses are certainly looking into some of these robots. Moreover, they have a 360-degree field of vision and are capable of seeing in the darkness. The camera will capture malcontents right away, and if you have a smartphone, you can easily manage them. For instance, doctors could easily conduct a two-way audio conversation with the patient. Some German specialists have some fascinating information to share. A robotic machine designed to replace payloaders were created as a technology demonstrator by an organization. In this innovation, inverted pendulums serve as the technology's foundation. Equilibrium is ensured by the lower portion, while carrying loads is done by the higher portion. Because of this, the robotic machine is compact, agile, and very speedy. It possesses a maximum speed of 10 meters per second. It scoops up loads with its robot arm grippers rather than suction cups. The intelligent mechanism is capable of determining its own level of force. This robot might well be employed in hospitals as well as storage facilities because it does not trouble pushing or hauling beds and carts. Other amazing features will be implemented by programmers in the upcoming future. For instance, they will enhance the functionality of the rollover and the way payloads are transmitted into your hands. This choice will be easier to make electricity thanks to wind turbine option. In order to be sold, these turbines are produced through both experienced and enthusiast individuals, such as this windmill, which was constructed by an Australian engineer. Even just a modest house's roofing can be easily accommodated by such a meter-long cylinder. Solar panels can be put in addition to this turbine to provide electricity for the remainder of the house. It's interesting to note that similar projects are frequently undertaken on a huge scale, for instance in many industries. This innovation, known as the ridge blade, was introduced and is appropriate for slope roofs. It can utilize a more vigorous airflow and acquire up to 9 times more energy thanks to a sophisticated focusing technique. Wind speeds of 11 meters per second cause ridge blades to operate at their peak efficiency. According to the designers, the structure framework can withstand perhaps a strong storm also. Entrepreneur from the United States proposes a new concept that is much more intriguing. He is currently experimenting with various blades in the hopes of increasing the power output. However, such turbines have the potential to significantly alter the attractiveness of a residence. A piece of design from the Chinese Contest Intelligence Award is presented next. Every competitors were encouraged to compete for the prize pool of $750,000 in addition to showcasing their innovations ideas to the world. As a result, there were various innovative initiatives. How do you feel about the above mosquito catching ditch improvement structure? These small solar panels in the hexagonal pieces operate a tiny turbine that pulls an insect, and a unique filter also captures foul sewage odors. Additionally, after being renovated, the ditch executes its basic functions better because it is no longer congested with big trash.